Just so you know. I'll make sure you don't go anywhere you're not supposed to, okay?
I don't care.
There's only maybe one spot to not go without snorkels, and I'll make sure you don't go there. Well, no, I meant like where it would be dangerous.
Oh, yeah.
My name is Don, and this is Adventures This Way. And I'm back at the Napanee ATV Park. I'm out for a ride with a couple young lads, and I am giving them a tour. If you find value in the content, you find it entertaining, why not subscribe so that you do not miss anything? Enjoy the ride.
Okay, guys. Wow, he drives better in reverse than he does in forward. It's steep, buds, yeah. I'd probably go that way. Yeah. Left, this way. Hey, you got a big stick stuck in it. You got a great big stick through there. I want to take that.
Close one, eh?
Give her. It's a little rainy, boys. It's a little rainy now. Okay, so this isn't bad, but coming back this way, this part's really hard.
Oh, let's find out how deep it is.
Oh, there's a couple good spots.
Holy shit!
I told ya, I couldn't get over it with my other tires. Put her in four-wheel drive, buds. There you are.
Holy crap!
Yeah, well, if I was looking.
Hope so. Well, you're laughing, so I hope you're looking.
Oh, okay, yeah, in the big ruts, I was waiting for something like that because I know they're deep. I didn't go in it.
Yeah.
There's a bit of a hole here too. axle, what, rear one?
Left rear.
Left rear, oh.
That's the snap. Yeah, left rear axle.
Well, you gotta go out this way because you're not getting back out that way.
You might not broke it. It might have been just stuck. Oh, it's broke.
It's broke.
Oh yeah.
It's broke. It's not turned yet.
I'm gonna make it with 3.
He tries hard. I'll give him that. Attaboy, attaboy, attaboy. He did her.
I'll make it 3 wheel drive.
Attaboy.
Sure, let's see, James. Yep. Oh,
Yeah.
she's going.
Yeah. So how's that axle? Yeah, that doesn't look so good.
Wheel fortune for you.
It's starting to get nasty. Well, do you want me to show you a couple other spots, and then we can tour? I'll show you this couple good spots.
I'll try. Get some good content.
Oh yeah. That was not some good noises. Holy, we're stuck in the go-arounds. Oh, we got her cleaned out. Oh yeah, there you go. Whoa, treat. Hey, don't go back down there. That gets a little thicker right about here. That's the thick part right there. Yeah, that's the thick part. You should climb up it, alright. Well,
Just not enough without that rear tire.
yeah. Maybe we just give it a pull from the back too. All I needed. All I needed. I think we can do these ones. You should be able to do these ones. You got to give her on the other one. Oh, maybe not. Oh, you know what you need? Arched A-arms.
Gotta hit her with a little pepper.
Not enough ground clearance, eh?
That's running bad.
I know. There you go. Give her, you gotta do the same thing on the next one. Yeah, this one might be too much. Oh, yeah, I couldn't get through this with my triplets. Yeah, or this summer. Yeah, that's how it's how deep the rut is. Yeah, yeah, like there's no sense screwing around. You're not touching bottom at all. You're high centered, man. So yeah, I don't know if I got an axle. Uh-oh. boat. Alright, well, let's go pull your buddy out. Well, no, there's no sense.
All I was seeing what I could do.
Yeah. Okay, hang on. Okay, give her some gas. So keep coming back. Alright, how's that doing it?
I'm gonna try and go up.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Keep going, give her. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That was something. Look at this predicament. Alright boys, this is the last hole of the day. I got stuck with my cryptids back in the summer. This will be a really good test. I just hope I don't break something. Something doesn't feel quite right. Alright. Broke a rear axle, that's what it was. Broke my rear axle, it's broken. I knew I felt something. Stuck now?
He's stuck.
But we should be able to push him back. Keep on her, keep on her! Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, keep giving. Yeah, we're going to be taking these trails.
Broke one, huh? When's the last time you broke an axle?
It's been a while.
Oh, yeah? Broke one.
Well, you know what's funny is I gotta change the axle seal on that side, so I gotta pull that axle out anyways, but whatever. In the mud, eh? Yeah, I knew it was gonna be bad. I don't know why I did it.
The tires were good till the axle broke.
Yeah. Yeah. Good times. Oh, you're having fun.
I got it.
buddy.
Okay.
Oh.
You, sir, completely grenaded it. Worse
Yeah?
than I did. It's wrapping your boot.
Oh, look at that, boys. Can't even see that. Are you still on? Yeah, you're with me. Yeah, that's not so good. That's yeah. Oh, you know what? Look at that. Oh, I put my license plate back on. Actually, you know what? I put it up there, like sitting there, and then I think I forgot about it. I never zip tied it, so hopefully it's in my garage.
If not, we gotta go hunt.
Well, it'll be near my house. Because I just put the exhaust back on because I'd gone hunting, so I put my stock one back on, and yeah, it's loud. It's well, I need to repack it. But I'll tell you, there's nothing like it when you're in this type of environment and you just give her like just that. Oh,
Sounds so good.
it does. There's nothing like it.
What is it, RJ Mud Series?
Yeah. RJWC Mud Edition Series. Mud Edition Series, they call it, or whatever. Okay, let's try this again. So, yeah, the rear axle, she do me. Gonna have to go give my buddy Louie at Power Mods a call and send me up a Demon axle. That is for sure, because that one, she's a no moss. But you know, there's that little bit of trepidation when you're like, okay, what broke?
Yeah, that's what I was like.
You're like, what did I break exactly, you know? All right. Well, that's it for today's episode.
Yeah.
2 broken rear axles.
One
And we're with James. And what's your name again?
David.
Dave. Actually, I don't know again because I did not. David. James is what he did.
Break anything yet.
No, the old 570.
570.
He gave the old 570 a real good test. Yeah, she's a good unit. That's a wrap for today.
Why not keep the energy going and watch this one right here? I'll see you in the next one.